Tired of nagging back pain that just won't quit? Relief might be closer than you think. In this video, we'll show you 5 simple stretches to relieve back tension right now. Whether you sit all day, sleep funny, or just feel tight, these moves are beginner-friendly, fast, and incredibly effective. Today we will talk about no more back pain, 5 simple stretches to relieve tension now. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Start with a cat-cow stretch to warm up the spine. One of the simplest and most effective ways to begin relieving back tension is with the cat-cow stretch. This movement helps increase mobility in the spine and reduce stiffness caused by long hours of sitting. It works by gently moving the spine through flexion and extension. You begin by getting on your hands and knees, then slowly alternate between arching your back up like a cat and tipping it down like a cow. This motion increases circulation in the lower back and prepares the spine for deeper stretches. Doing this daily helps loosen tight muscles and improves your posture over time. 9. Use the child's pose to gently release lower back tension. The child's pose is not just a yoga position. It's a powerful way to ease pressure in your lower back. After a long day of sitting, standing, or bending, your lower back can become tight and sore. This stretch allows you to gently elongate the spine and create space between the vertebrae. You simply kneel, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms forward while keeping your forehead close to the ground. It's a calming, restorative stretch that can help reduce stiffness, especially in the lumbar region. Holding this pose for just 1 to 2 minutes can provide noticeable relief. Over time, it also helps reduce chronic back discomfort and supports better spinal alignment. 8. Try the knee to chest stretch for instant lower back relief. The knee to chest stretch is perfect for people dealing with lower back tightness, especially after sitting at a desk or driving for extended periods. This stretch works by gently relaxing the muscles around the spine and hips. Lying on your back, you bring one knee towards your chest and hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then switch legs. This movement helps to lengthen the lower back muscles and encourages the release of any built-up tension. It's simple and highly effective. Practicing this stretch regularly can reduce stress on your spine and help you avoid future back strain. It also feels good, especially when done at the end of the day or before bedtime. 7. Use the supine twist to relax the spine and hips. When you're feeling tight in your back, especially around your spine and hips, the supine twist can make a big difference. You lie flat on your back, bend one knee, and gently guide it across your body while keeping your shoulders flat on the ground. This twisting motion helps stretch the back muscles and encourages mobility in the spine. It also relieves tension stored in the mid and lower back. The key is to move slowly and breathe deeply, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. The twist can be held for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. This stretch also helps release tightness in the hips, which are often connected to lower back pain. 6. Do the seated forward fold to stretch the hamstrings and back. Tight hamstrings can pull on your lower back and contribute to discomfort. The seated forward fold is a powerful way to stretch both your hamstrings and your back at the same time. Sitting on the ground with your legs straight in front of you, reach forward towards your toes while keeping your back long. This movement gently lengthens the spine and stretches the muscles along the back of your legs. It helps improve flexibility in the lower back and can reduce strain caused by poor posture. Don't force the stretch. Just go as far as is comfortable and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. With regular practice, you'll notice improved flexibility and less tension in the lower back. 5. Practice the standing forward bend for mid and upper back tension. The standing forward bend is an excellent stretch for releasing tension in the entire back, especially the upper and middle sections. It's a simple movement. Stand up straight, bend forward at the hips, and let your arms hang toward the floor. Try to keep your knees soft and allow your head to hang freely. This stretch uses gravity to gently decompress the spine and ease stiffness. It also increases blood flow to the brain, helping you feel calmer and more relaxed. Holding this position for 30 seconds or longer can bring a deep sense of relief. It's a great stretch to do during a work break or anytime your upper back feels tight from poor posture. 4. Do pelvic tilts to strengthen and mobilize the lower back. Pelvic tilts are often recommended by physical therapists for people with chronic lower back pain. They are simple but extremely effective. Lying on your back with your knees bent, you gently tilt your pelvis upward by pressing your lower back into the floor. Then slowly return to the neutral position. This small movement strengthens your core and stabilizes the lower back. It also teaches your body how to engage the right muscles during daily activities like walking, sitting, and lifting. Pelvic tilts help improve posture and support your spine, making them a key stretch for long-term back health. They're easy to do and require no equipment, so you can practice them daily. 3. Add the Cobra stretch to open the spine and reduce compression. The Cobra stretch is especially helpful if you spend a lot of time sitting or slouching. It opens up the front of the body while gently extending the spine. You start by lying face down, placing your hands under your shoulders, and lifting your upper body while keeping your hips grounded. This movement counteracts the forward curve caused by hours at a desk or looking at screens. It also relieves pressure in the lower spine and stretches the abdominal muscles. When done correctly and consistently, the Cobra stretch can improve posture and reduce back pain caused by compression. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe deeply during the stretch to get the most benefit. 2. Use wall angels to improve posture and back muscle activation. Wall angels are a stretch and strengthening movement in one. They help correct posture, engage the muscles between your shoulder blades, and reduce pain in the upper back. Stand with your back flat against a wall, arms bent at 90 degrees. Slowly raise and lower your arms as if you're making a snow angel, keeping your back and arms in contact with the wall. This movement strengthens the upper back and teaches your body how to maintain proper alignment. It's especially useful for people who hunch over their desks or phones. 1. Make stretching a daily habit for long-term relief. Back pain is rarely caused by one issue. It's usually a combination of tight muscles, weak core strength, poor posture, and repetitive stress. That's why a consistent stretching routine is so powerful. When you stretch daily, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, you prevent pain before it starts. You help your muscles stay flexible, support your spine, and reduce the wear and tear of modern life. It doesn't matter when you stretch, in the morning, after work, or before bed. What matters is that you stay consistent. Over time, your back will feel stronger, more mobile, and more resilient to the daily stress it goes through. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.